Hello guys, welcome to the Dialog Education Project video tutorial series for the C# Windows Form programming. And in this session number 31, we are going to learn how to insert any form objects such like window media player or something else in our C# Windows Form, and how to run these components in it. So just start our Microsoft Video Studio, and here I am going to create a new project. And COM basically objects are used to insert in C# Windows at any time, and COM stands for the component object models, and all the Windows applications are basically using the COM components. And here we use the media player example. Okay, now you can see that all windows form here, but no window media player was shown in this list here. So what we need to insert the window media player here. So right click on it at any place and just add a choose item. Connect to the choose item, and when you choose item, a new dialog box will appear on your screen, which have different kind of things, just like .network components, COM components, system activities, WPF components, XAML components, Windows Phone components, Silverlight components, but we are going to choose the COM components here. Okay, when you will click on the COM components, then you have a variety of different kinds of COM objects are here, and you can see Microsoft web browser is here, DLL file was available. Okay, now we will find the window media player. If we will install, yes, we have a window media player here. Just click on it and click OK here. Then window media player was automatically adding into your computer toolbox. And so similarly you can use the same thing to add any kind of COM object. You have window media player here, just pick it up and place it on your form here. So the window media player was added automatically on your form. Just wait for a moment. Okay, you can see that this method was added on your computer. You can use it according to your wish. And when you run this program, then you can see that Windows Media Player is working on your form successfully. But we need to open the file and then play this file in this window media player, then use some other buttons just like start, play and pause for the application. And we are just making it, but how to use it, we can just wait how to run this program. Okay, you can see that this is working, and now we will add some buttons to play this application. And for this thing I just make it more wider screen here, place it in the center. Okay, use a label, and then use another label to display the path. It was not as much necessary, but it's up to you. And here we will use a button, and place it here. Control C, Control B, one for the start button, one for the one for pause button, and one for the play button. Okay, we almost done. Now we create the interface for this thing and use the properties, media player, and use the font size, use this one, Dialog bold 16, use some color, okay. Now use this file path and open file button, open, and name this button as the open file. Open file, start, play, and the pause button. Use this background color for start. Start this color, okay, and make this like something. Use what color, red, for pause. Okay, we are make this button to blue. Okay, use this sky blue. Now we are almost done to create this user interface. Now use this button as label file path and name this button label start, button start. Click on this button play and this button as the button pause. We also name this instance of the media player and change it into AX media. It was a long way, but if you want to change it, I think player. Now first of all we will click on the open file dialog and use the open file dialog method, which we already used in the last programs. OF is equal to new open file dialog, make the screen more wider, and after that now we will click on the if method. If OF, which is object of the open file dialog, dot show dialog and is equal to system dot windows dot forms dot dialog result dot okay. Then we will copy the path, and here is the path string fname is equal to of dot file name. We will display this into the label file path dot text is equal to fname. And now we will click on the start button, and in this start button we first of all going to create the object of the player. My player is equal to new okay, we don't need to create the instance of that. We just use player dot URL and URL stands for the universal resource location, and in this we will place the path of our label path dot text, the file name which we want to store it here, and after that we will go to the controls of the player windows. Okay, the controls was there, and for this player dot ctl controls dot play. Okay. Now we will run this application and start what is happening with our media player. Okay, our application was started, and now we open the file, and I have a video file here. Just open that file. Okay, this is the new movie. Dangerous and something more. I have a journey, and after that the file path was here, and just start it. Attempting to play has an extension. Okay. We can open another file. We will open this and start it. You can see that the file was connecting and preparing to load. Okay, now you can see that the movie is playing, and if you
जरा भी डाउट मत करना सर।
अगर एक बार इसने कमेंट
up and down, and it was still working, pause the movie, and similarly you can use the controls from here. But if you want to use the controls with your buttons, then it's very simple. Just as we can perform the start method or play method, we can use it the pause method. Okay, just click on it and click on the pause method, and here we will use player dot ctl controls it takes time. Player dot ctl controls dot stop. Once again we will run our program. Okay, open the file. Open the file Dangerous, whatever. It's a Tamil movie. Love to watch these movies. Okay, just click on the start and it was connecting. Okay.
होमवर्क कर लिया?
Now you can see that I just stopped the voice of that, and if you want to click on the pause, then it was stopped. So similarly, in this way you can use the other version too. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Allah Hafiz.